Cancer to the PDP in the Oriom and Twenty-third Federal Constituency election, Barrister U.L. Evayo told the tribunal that a motion ex parte dated and filed on the 18th of March 2019 is praying the tribunal for an order to mandate INEC to allow the petitioner to inspect the card readers and issue the certified true copies of the voters' register forms EC8A, wards and local government results, as well as the results sheets. The motion is also praying the tribunal to grant an order for INEC to release the forms EC8D2, which is the summary of the local government collation and ballot papers used in the conduct of the Federal House of Representatives election for Oriom and Twenty-third held on 23rd February 2019. The motion, which had a written address and an 8-paragraph affidavit deposed to by Uwamuse Amadasun, was granted by the tribunal, who ordered INEC to allow the applicant to inspect the card readers and issue the certified true copies of sensitive materials of the election to the applicants. In other motions, expertise, PDP candidate for Edo North Senatorial District, Abubakar Momo, APC candidate for Ego and Ikpoboha Federal Constituency, Ehiozua Johnson Agmoima, PDP candidate for Esako Federal Constituency, Blessy Agbomere, as well as the APC candidate for Edo Central Senatorial District, John Osaigi Negbedion, through their counsel, prayed the tribunal to grant separate orders for a substituted service on the respondents, owing to what they described as difficulty in serving them with copies of the petition. Chairman of the tribunal granted the request and ordered that copies of the petitions and other necessary documents, including the attached exhibits, be pasted at the various political party secretariats of the respondents, INEC office located on Ikpoba Hill, Benin City, and the notice board at the premises of the Election Petition Tribunal. Cancer to the petitioners' comment on the day's proceeding.
The inaugural sitting of the Election Petition Tribunal today, we had two applications, two motion ex parte. The first was for another granting leave for us to be able to inspect and obtain certified true copies of the documents. The court was magnanimous in granting both of them. That's perhaps victory number one.
The declared winners of the past election of the election, we sought leave to serve them because we've not been able to serve them personally, and because of the rules of the court, they cannot be served by a substituted means without an order of court. We sought that order this morning. And for the 3 petitions that we filed, such orders were granted. We came to court to take an ex parte application to enable us to serve some respondents that we have not been able to serve. The first respondent is Johnson Oguma. Third respondent is a returning officer in the election.
A total of 7 petitions challenging the outcome of the National Assembly election in Edo State are before the Election Petition Tribunal. The National and State Houses of Assembly Election Petitions Tribunal sitting in Benin City, Edo State capital, also granted an order of services of the copies of petitions on the first respondent in the election of Oriom and Twenty-third Federal Constituency seat, Patrick Asowere, ordering that copies of the petition be pasted at the Secretariat building of the All Progressives Congress located on Airport Road in Benin City. Similarly, the tribunal also granted an order for copies of the petitions to be served on the candidate of the People's Democratic Party for Igweben, Eastern West, Eastern Central Federal Constituency, Chief Joe Ejanwele, by pasting copies of the petition right here at the tribunal notice board, or alternatively at the PDP Secretariat on First Circular Road in Benin City. From the premises of the National and State Houses of Assembly Election Petitions Tribunal in Benin City, Best Mbiere reporting.